Number 1. The 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass, priced at $5,000. Located in Lawrence, Michigan. This coupe has 120,000 miles and is being sold as a project car with a clear title. It features a 5.3 LS engine with a turbo setup, turbo and fuel pump not included, and a TH350 transmission with a 3500 stall converter. The motor and transmission are mated but not running. Comes with a new LS standalone wiring harness, full interior with a cage, 20-gallon fuel cell, tubular rear control arms, drag shocks, 4 10 gears, posi, shifter, and gauges. Open to trades. Click the link in the video description for more details or to make an offer. Number 2. The 1974 Dodge Dart, priced at $6,500. Located in Waurika, Oklahoma. This Dart Sport features a 318 V8 engine, automatic transmission, air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes. It has a fold-down back seat and has been driven 98,000 miles. The car runs well but has been off the road for some time. It still needs minor fixes, including small heater hose leaks at the motor, and is not yet street-ready. The floor and trunk are solid. No trades. Number 3. The 1968 Ford Mustang, priced at $10,000. Located in Signal Mountain, Tennessee. This deluxe coupe two-door model is finished in Acapulco blue with a C-stripe and features a stylish two-tone deluxe interior with a center console. It's equipped with a 200 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and has been driven 155,000 miles. Additional highlights include hood blinker lights, and it comes with the original window sticker. A great running, drivable classic Mustang ready for a new owner. Number 4. The 1963 Oldsmobile Cutlass F85, priced at $10,500. Located in Tipp City, Ohio. This is a clean and well-maintained classic with 98,000 miles on the odometer. It features new tires, updated brakes, redone seat covers, a new carburetor, muffler, and Y-pipe. The bodywork is in excellent shape, and it comes with a restored 1963 license plate. Powered by a 215 engine from Pontiac, this true survivor has been garage-kept under a cover. The owner is seeking a new home for it, as it's no longer getting the road time it deserves. No trades. Number 5. The 1963 Ford Sprint, priced at $13,000. Located in Scurry, Texas. This classic coupe has a V8 260 engine with a 4-speed transmission and has been driven 35,000 miles. It runs and drives, but the carburetor needs work. The car includes a stack of receipts for past work and parts. All the glass is in good functional condition. There's a rust spot on the driver's rear wheel arch, making it a great project car. The seller isn't considering trades and is open to offers, looking to sell quickly. Number 6. The 1973 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $13,500. Located in Nashville, Illinois. This classic comes in a crisp white exterior and has been driven around 15,600 miles. It features a strong-running 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Enjoy a well-maintained interior, power steering, Kragar SS wheels, and dual exhaust. The car runs and drives great, ready for any road trip. Financing and shipping are available to make this beauty yours. Number 7. The 1967 Chevrolet Malibu, priced at $13,900. Located in Easley, South Carolina. This rare find is perfect for weekend drives and always turns heads. The interior has been completely redone and features headers, a 4-barrel carburetor, original 2-barrel included, rear air shocks, and a 700R transmission. With just under 57,000 miles and minimal rust, it's been garage kept by its third owner. Original paperwork from its first buyer, purchased in Greenville, is included. It has a minor oil leak typical for its age, open to trades for old trucks of equivalent value. Number 8. The 1965 Ford Mustang, priced at $14,950. Located in Putnam, Illinois. This two-door classic features an automatic transmission, a 289 engine, manual brakes and steering, and working air conditioning. Built in September 1964, it's in good condition and ready for a new home. No trades. Number 9. The 1962 Chrysler 300H, priced at $15,500. Located in Oconomowoc, Wisconsin. This classic car is one of just 345 ever produced, making it a rare find. It has been driven 65,000 miles and is all there but does need some restoration work, including a trunk pan. The original engine and transmission are very solid, offering a strong foundation for your project. This could be an excellent winter project for someone who understands the potential of this iconic car. The seller is open to trades as well. Number 10. The 1964 Ford Falcon Futura, priced at $15,500. Located in Stockbridge, Georgia. This classic features a burgundy exterior and has been driven about 11,000 miles. Originally a 6-cylinder, it's been upgraded to a 289 V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, Mallory ignition, headers, and new front brakes. A stylish and powerful cruiser ready for its next owner. Number 11. The 1971 Pontiac LeMans, priced at $17,000. Located in Waterford, Ohio. This two-door hardtop comes in a striking burgundy color and is in good condition. It features power steering, power brakes, and front disc brakes. Under the hood, it's equipped with a 350 cubic inch engine paired with a 350 turbo transmission. The car has been driven 120,000 miles and runs well. It also has brand new tires and wheels, making it a solid choice for classic car enthusiasts. Number 12. The 1974 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $17,000. Located in Quincy, Illinois. This classic hatchback has been driven 178,000 miles and features a 350 engine, air shocks, and a brake conversion. It also comes with a sound system and monitor which can be removed if desired. The car needs a new battery but runs well with a jump. The current owner, a car club secretary, primarily drove it to shows, meetings, and gatherings. A great option for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a well-loved vintage ride. Number 13. The 1954 Ford Victoria, priced at $18,000. Located in Newcastle, Indiana. This custom beauty has been driven 50,000 miles and features unique modifications like 1955 Chevy taillights, a 1955 DeSoto front end, and custom hood and skirts. The rear rides on air suspension, and under the hood, it's powered by a 351 Cleveland engine. Vintage air and heat are included, though the air conditioning isn't currently hooked up. This car is ready to drive anywhere and turn heads wherever you go. Number 14. The 1977 Chevrolet Corvette, priced at $18,500. Located in Burlington, Wisconsin. This classic beauty features a white exterior and has been driven just 10,000 miles. It's loaded with high-speed options, including 411 gears, headers, and a rebuilt high-performance Edelbrock engine. Perfect for those who love speed and power. Number 15. The 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, priced at $20,000. Located in Peru, Indiana. This Chevelle features a small block engine paired with a 350 turbo transmission. It runs and drives well, making it a great daily driver. However, it is not a show car. The paint and bodywork were completed 30 years ago, with new quarter panels added back then. The paint shows cracking, scratches, and chips, and the bodywork is not professionally done. The trunk pan was replaced using self-tapping screws, open to trades for Chevelles from 68 to 72.